Today, I will show you exactly how to start YouTube the right way. My name is Desipis, and today I will show you exactly how to start YouTube the right way.
Oh, wow!
If you want to start YouTube, grow using just your smartphone. Come closer. This video is for you. I am a content creator and video producer. On this channel, I teach people how to use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all social media platforms professionally. In this video, I am going to show you how a beginner can start a YouTube channel using just his or her smartphone. Now, let's go. The first thing you need to do is not money, it's not camera, it's not laptop. All you need to have is your smartphone and consistency. YouTube does not care about equipment. All YouTube care is about consistency, good content, and watch time. You know what? Come closer. Let me teach you how to create a professional YouTube channel with no stress. First thing, open your YouTube app.
Click on your YouTube app. If you already have an existing YouTube account, this is how your YouTube interface will look like. Click on the plus icon. Okay, this is the interface you were supposed to see if you wasn't having any existing account on your phone. Here, there are two options you need to choose from. Either you are creating a new Gmail account or you are adding an existing Gmail account already existing in your phone. But here, our topic today, we will be creating a new Gmail account. Now, let's go. Click on create account for my personal use. Fill in your first name and your last name and you click on next. Choose your month of birth, day, year, and gender and you click on next. Here you can decide to create a new Gmail or choose from the one being given to you. Now create a strong password. Inside the password, there should be big letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols. Now click on next. Click on next. Congratulations, you just succeeded in creating your new Gmail account. Click on agree to finish the process. Now it is going to take you back to YouTube. If we're already having an existing channel, this is how your interface will be looking like. Now you choose the Gmail you just created right now. Congratulations, you just created a new YouTube account, but there are things that you need to put in place to make your channel look different from other channels. First thing you need to do here, search for channel or videos that are related to your niche or the kind of things that you'll be doing on YouTube or the kind of lesson that you'll be teaching on YouTube. Why are you doing this? You are trying to train the YouTube system to know the kind of audience you need in your channel. Congratulations to you, but we are not done yet. Now we need to set up our YouTube channel in a professional way, in such a way that YouTube algorithms will recognize our channel. Now let's go out of our YouTube app. Now if you are using an iPhone, click on Safari app or Chrome. But if you are using an Android, make sure you click on Chrome browser. Then search for YouTube Studio. It's going to take you to this interface. Then click on it. Click on Continue to Studio. Click on the setting icon you see below. Click on Upload Default. Click to Visibility and change to Private. Why are you doing this? Your video should only be seen by you when it's still uploading. Under Category, choose a word that your niche best fall under. This is very important because it will alert the YouTube algorithm the kind of audience you want and the kind of videos you are making. Make sure your comment is on. Now let's go to channel. Here we have two useful options. Country of residence and keyword. This is very important. Always choose your original country of residence and keyword. If you don't know how to add keyword, go to ChatGPT, describe your niche or the kind of content your channel will be talking about. And when they give you those keywords, you copy and paste them on your keyword timeline. Now let's go to our country of residence. Make sure you always choose the original country you are living in. If not, you are going to get a serious problem in future. After doing this, make sure you click on future eligibility and enable all the features. By doing that, then you save. And congratulations to you. You now have a professional, well set up YouTube channel.
Now, I will show you what to do here or what you don't need to do. Okay? Listen and listen carefully. Consistency is more than perfection. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that it's better to post one video every week than to post many videos and stop. Note, YouTube reward creators that are consistently. Hope I'm making some sense. Hope I'm making some sense. Can someone shout power? Now, as a beginner, don't try to do everything at once. Choose one topic and teach it step by step. Don't hurry. Now, you can teach them what you already know, what you are still learning, and make it simple. People love honest and simple teaching. Mistake to avoid. Do not wait to be too perfect before starting a channel. Do not copy creators exactly. What I'm trying to say is that do not copy exactly, like copy and paste, and never give up. So every big YouTuber you see today started with a 0 subscriber. So my friend, what are you saying? What are you saying, man? Now you don't need to be perfect in editing before starting a channel, but you must know the basic. What am I saying? Good quality edit video brings subscriber and watch time. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, edit professional videos, and also be the master as far internet or social media is concerned, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on notification button so that you don't miss my next lesson. On my next video, I will teach you step by step how to edit using your phone and computer, even if you are a beginner.